y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I just received my Pipsticks subscription for the month of May. This is always a very happy mail day because, I mean, come on, just look at that envelope. I love, love, love the stickers from Pipsticks, so I thought I would open it up and show you what I got. Let's go. I am currently subscribed to the Pipsticks Pro Sticker Club, the classic one. It was a gift from my husband for Christmas, and it has just been so fun getting these stickers in the mail each week. I use them all over the place in my gratitude journal, in my morning journaling. I add them to notes for my kids. There's just lots of uses for these super fun stickers. So every month you get Pippi, which is a tiny little sticker magazine, and it is super cute. It gives you some behind the scenes on the creating of the stickers and how everything works and some of the fun color schemes. There are just super cute little articles. I just love it. It is a super fun little magazine to get. So I love getting Pippi, and I've been saving mine each month just to have. And then here is the sticker subscription. So you get it in this beautiful holographic pouch. I save these as well. They are great storage pieces. And then one of my awesome subscribers suggested adding a piece so I could punch it and put it into my happy planner, which was such a great idea. So I actually have one as an envelope in my happy planner right now. This sticker comes off, so you just get this beautiful like Ziploc look with the holographic. Love, love, love that. So that's the pouch it comes in, and then you get a ton of stickers. So let's check them out. Every month you get one vinyl sticker. This one is Green Thumb. Look how beautiful that is. These are so fun. These are great to put on your water bottles, on your laptop. I like to save them and include them in Happy Mail. So super cute. Love this one. And then a ton of other sticker sets. Let's check them out. Here are some beautiful floral kind of border stickers, kind of look like washi tape. I just love the shine on these stickers. I think they're so fun. The color combinations are so interesting. Those are super pretty. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, look at this girl with all her plants. So this is not so much me. I am not a plant lady, except if all of these were artificial plants. That would totally be up my alley. But I do have some good friends that are really good plant people, and my sister is a huge plant person. So these would be great for them. Look how cute that is. And look at these cows. Are you kidding me? I love that. How unusual. Look at those cows in this like art deco, modern art look. Oh, I love that. That is adorable. We have some more plants. These are all the herbs for your herb garden. We have cilantro and basil, parsley, sage, basil, thyme, mint, lavender. So cute. Look at all those. Those are so fun. I love them. I'm obsessed with this one. Look at, these are all couches, you guys. Couches and chairs. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I'm gonna have so much fun with those. I love this one. That's okay. That one's my favorite so far. This one is super functional with all the arrows of different sizes and all the color schemes that are included this month. That is super cute. Look at these hearts with the florals. So these are the florals that are on the front of the Pippi magazine, but they're cut out into hearts, and so you just get peaks of the florals. I think that is so creative with the gold along the edge. That is super adorable. And then you guys, the pink and the purples in this one, stop it. Look at how pretty. Oh, I love that. That is so fun. I'm loving the stickers this month. They are so cute. Look at this one. This one is a very cool mix of the paper and the gold foil. And I love that color combination. That is super pretty. And then look at this one, you guys. For those of us that like to do some watercoloring, some watercolor florals here, and you even have the hands that are actually doing the coloring. And then you have the watercolor palette right there. So pretty. And then this one, I guess it's gold. It almost looks coppery, the foil. Oh, so pretty. And then the bathtubs filled with flowers, perfect for a little self-care time. How cute are those? I love those. These will definitely get used in my self-care section of one of my planners. Look at all of the little underwear. That is cute. How fun. I love getting, you guys, this is such a fun subscription. I love getting it each month. I just think these are stickers that I wouldn't always pick up, but I love having them on hand. This was such a fantastic gift. Look at all of the little teacups and coffee mugs with the florals. So adorable. And then every month you get a sheet of alphas, and these are pretty. They have all of this little floral detail to them on clear. These are fun to incorporate into your memory planning as well. And then a postcard each month. This one has that beautiful butterfly that I was loving. You can obviously send the postcard to someone. You could cut this out and use it as ephemera. You could punch it and just put it into your planner just for a little bit of happiness. In your planner, there's all kinds of ways to use that card. All right, so there are all of the goodies in my Pipsticks subscription. Like I said, I get the Pro Sticker Club, the Classic Edition. I know that they have a kids edition as well. So if you have kiddos that are wanting to try out and play with some super fun stickers, this would be an awesome present for them as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. A huge shout out to my YouTube members. You guys are so awesome. We are having such a great time over in our YouTube community. If you are interested in becoming a Scrappy YouTube member, make sure to click that join button and find out some more info. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.